Hi everyone, I'm Don Anton. Today we are going to discuss do and subject, verb and object. So how we are going to make a positive fraction in simple present tense. So here first actually I am going to make some fractions by using do. Just keep in your mind, do we use with plural nouns and pronouns. So as you can see here, do, then the subject, for this subject we are going to use you and we, they and any plural nouns. So this verb should be in simple form, right? Yes, you could see now, do you like mornings? Do you like mornings? So I use the Sinhala translation for the everybody who lives in Sri Lanka and other countries who can speak and understand Sinhala. So do you like mornings? Let's move on to next one. Do you like music? So if somebody asks you, do you like music, what would be your answer? So you could say, yes I do, or no I don't, right? Do you listen to music? Do you listen to music? Do you watch movies? Do you watch movies? Yes. Do you read books? Do you read books? Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Do you drink coffee? Yes. Do you drink coffee? Right. So then now let's have a look with other pronouns how we are going to make fractions. Yes. Do they like mornings? Do they listen to music? Do we read books? Do I play any sports? Okay, in next week we are going to study how to make a positive sentence by using singular nouns and pronouns. See you.